This Sunday, we were able to host an open house to our Doral Chase listing, a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhome, and in just 3 hours, we had over 10 families visit our property. I was actually shocked to see that a lot of the people that were looking to purchase are in need of selling their current home to get the equity they've acquired throughout the years of that property to use it as a down payment for the next one. The interesting part is that these homeowners don't know what their home is worth today, and they don't even know how much equity they have to transfer over to the next one. So I'm shooting this video because I wanted to extend my help over to you, whether you're looking to buy the next property and you need to sell, or you're just curious to know what your home is worth in today's market. Reach out to me. You can comment below the word value and DM me your property address, and I'll gladly send you a free CMA report, comparable market analysis, where you can see how much equity you've gained and how much money you can pull out of the sale of your property if you want to move to a bigger property, so you can use that money as down payment. Send me a DM with your property address, no strings attached. I'll send you the free CMA report. But if you have any other questions, anything real estate related, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida.